Hello, everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, today we have a very special guest with us, and his name is Soumya Pandey, and he recently got selected in Intelligic Private Limited. So, it's a startup company, and his role is data annotator. So, today he is here, and he is going to share his experience, like how did he apply, what all rounds were there, how did he qualify, and he is also working. Actually, he has already started working. So Soumya, welcome to Online Study for You platform.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. So today I got the opportunity to share with you all about how I got selected in this particular organization and what are the rounds are there, and finally, what is the working conditions over there, and yeah.
Okay, so first you tell us like how did you apply, because we are sharing a lot of jobs. Okay, so how did you apply for the job, what all rounds were there? Okay, and how is the work going on? So all those things we will discuss. So let us start one by one.
Yeah, yeah. So first of all, I got the LinkedIn link from your side only, from this online study for you channel.
Mhm,
So then after that, I applied for that, and my CV got shortlisted.
mhm,
Then after that, one recruiter reached out to me in
mhm,
the mail, and they scheduled one interview. First interview was there was two round. Two
mhm,
was the interview round, and the last round is the that is machine test that
mhm,
was held in the office only.
mhm, mhm,
So first of all, first round is the technical rounds. So and then the second round is the HR round. So
mhm,
talking about the technical round, first of all, the interviewer was very polite and quite friendly, character.
me.
And first of
Okay.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Okay.
and he told me to introduce myself. Then I introduced. Then after that, he told me what are the subject that you have in this current semester. So I told. Then after that, there goes the technical part. So
Mhm,
first of all, he told me that actually I worked on NLP and machine learning domain. So first of all, he asked me the questions like, what is NLP, what is the working of NLP, and then after that, when I told, then after that he told do you made your projects in your college using this ML and NLP. So I explained all the stuff. Then after that, he gave me one coding question that I done in Python only.
mhm,
So the coding question name was reverse a string, and another coding question is there that is a little tricky type. Means I mean to say that it is hard. So
mhm,
that is taken from after when I means cleared the interview. Then I saw that the coding question was mentioned in the lead code platform only.
mhm,
So I just given the logic to interviewer, and he told that yes, your approach is quite good. So yeah, so it continues for 15 minutes, this technical round. Then after that, HR rounds came. So these two round happen in one single day. First of all, in the morning, the technical round, and then in the afternoon, the HR round. So in the HR round, first of all, I introduced myself, and the interviewer was good and quite friendly, like means technical part.
mhm,
So and I told that yeah, I introduced myself. Then he told me where is your hometown. I told. Then what are your current hobbies? I told the hobbies of mine. And yeah, and he told that what you like to do in your leisure time. So I told all the stuff.
mhm,
So, and the final round is that the machine test. So when I reached to the office that is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. So they told me to first of all they saw me my all documents like 10, 12, and all the degree certificate means the mark sheets of my
mhm,
BTech, and then they schedule one machine test. So where I have to write one code, that is they open one platform, means one online editor like online GTP, and another is program. Means they told me to code up one coding question. Then
mhm,
I given code it up, and successfully it compiled. Then
mhm,
after that, there comes one another. means annotation type of thing. Means annotation. It is means yes, annotation question is given. So I annotate the particular data.
Mhm.
They given one data set, so I have to annotate that one. So I have easily annotate the data set. Then yeah, that I got qualified, and then in the next 2 to 3 days, I got the internship offer.
Okay. So right now you're working as an intern, and then
Yes.
it will
Then
be
after
permanent.
that, there will be yes, sir. There will be one interview. Then I will be qualifying the interview. Then it will be full time
Okay,
offer.
full time. Great. So which year pass out you are?
Yes, sir. I am 2023 this year.
This year. Okay. And what is this data annotator job? So even this is a new term for me, but as I can see in the Google, is the process of labeling individual element of training data, whether text, image, audio, or video, to help machine understand what exactly is it, what is important. I wanted to hear from you, like
Yes.
what exactly you are doing and what is data annotation.
Yeah, actually, the data annotation is mainly yes that you saw is the correct thing. Means, and when I reached to the office and then when I started my working, so first of all I have to do my coding in Python. Then the all the teams given me one data set. Then I have to label that data set and like annotate the data set, and then after that I have to deploy in the using writing some Python codes. Then that deploy file will be stored in the cloud. Yes,
So basically,
that's
this data annotator is also like, it's a code. So you have to write the code and it will
yes, yes,
somewhere
yes,
print on the devices or something like that.
yes, 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 yes. Means
Okay.
it will actually I have to do the coding and the data set will be yeah, fully annotated, and then I have to deploy in the cloud. Means they are using AWS.
Okay, okay. Great, great. So that's what I wanted to know from you or hear from you. Okay.
Yes,
So from when you are following online study for you?
yes, sir. I following your channel from last 1 year, from currently February 2022, starting from means when my this placement started in the month of July in
Mhm.
my college. Then since before that, I am following your channel. Your channel is very much useful and very good, and all informations are means very perfect and all things.
True.
It is
Thank
a
you.
very much useful. Yes.
So one more question I wanted to ask you. See, we put a lot of videos on our channel, hiring videos. So in many case, company doesn't respond. In many case, resume doesn't get selected. In many case, we don't clear the interview. So how many companies you applied, you didn't get response? How many companies you applied and you failed in interview? So can you give a a data kind of?
Yes, I means I applied lastly means 2 to 4 companies, but my the CV got selected. I given the written round, and after that means I got rejected in the not technical in the HR round. Means I got rejected in that round. Yes,
Okay, so that's what like I wanted to tell a student. See, failure is a part of success. So basically, whatever jobs we put, we need to apply, and we don't know which one job you will get selected and you will start your career. So thank you, Samya, for coming to our platform and telling your story. It should definitely inspire other students, and they should take the things seriously what we do on our channel. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.